let's make some sweet potato syrup. So first I went ahead and I roasted some sweet potatoes in my air fryer for about 40 minutes. I had them wrapped up in aluminum foil. Of course, I poked holes in it with a fork so it could properly cook. And you do want to be careful when you're trying to separate the skin from the sweet potato because it is really hot. Y'all seen I almost burned myself a couple times. Then I went ahead and I mashed it up, and then I added about a cup to my blender with a half cup of water, and I went ahead and I blended it till it was thoroughly smooth. And I would say you probably could avoid doing this step and just add the sweet potato to your pot with all your other ingredients, but I did not strain my sauce, so that's why I made sure it was thoroughly smooth before adding it to my pot. So you're gonna add your sweet potato. You're gonna add 1 1/2 cups of water, a half cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of brown sugar. I also added some sweetened condensed milk because I wanted my sauce or syrup to be thick and creamy, but that is optional. You can do 1 1/2 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice and half a tablespoon of cinnamon, or you could just do 1 full tablespoon of cinnamon and half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Go ahead and add you a pinch of salt. Make sure you taste it so it's to your liking, and go ahead and let it simmer on low medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. And you want to make sure that you're frequently stirring the sauce. Go ahead and add your teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla bean paste and take it off the heat. Make sure you let it cool before you add it to whatever container that you like. I used 2 squeeze bottles, and I wanted more of a sauce than a syrup, so I did not strain it, but you would strain it if you wanted a more thinner consistency before adding it to any of your bottles or your jars. And you want to make sure that you store this in the fridge. This was so quick and easy, and I give it a 10 out of 10. It was delicious.